So I don't know if you guys remember, but the last video, literally the last video, I started talking about what's the worst thing that could happen. So I don't know if the birds heard me, but they literally came back, same exact spot, just to make it worse. How? But guess how much we just spent, boys. Take a guess. If you could guess how much this Tacoma took up from empty all the way to full, if you guess 48, you would be right. What is up? It's your boy Aing here, bringing to you guys a brand new freaking video, man. So look, listen, today we got a fun one. Today we got an exciting one. Today we are revealing our wheels and tires. Now, if everything goes right, we are revealing it. I have to drive 2 hours to get them. Now, I'll explain a little bit more as we go, but the sooner we head off on the road, well then, well, the sooner that we both get to see them. So let's get right into it. Today's video was gonna be something completely different. Like, I had already planned my video, I had scripted it out, I had done everything. I was ready for today's video. And then I got a call about my wheels and tires being available for pickup today, or I could wait till Monday and they would deliver them. But if they deliver them and I'm not there, then they're gonna charge me some dollars. And well, you know, on this channel we don't like to spend those. So it's Friday. The day you watch this is the day I recorded and edited and uploaded. So hello, how are ya? Unless you like watching it on a Saturday, but why would you? Because you've already liked, you've commented, and you subscribed with that little post notification on. So of course, how would you miss it? Also, I think there's a cop in front of us, so update. So we've picked up the cargo. It says we're gonna make it there at 6:30. It's 5 o'clock, so about an hour and 30 minutes of driving, and we should be able to have our tires. Now, I have purchased tires before, wheels and tires, and the way they came assembled was not very drivable friendly, I guess you could say. So we have two problems. We have a very scrawny man, and then we have me. Hey. First, I don't know how I'm gonna fix the tires to fit in the bed with the bed cover. And number two, no, I think there's only one problem. We've talked to these people like 3 times today. First time, no, they're not ready. Second time, yes, they're ready. Then they called us back to tell us they weren't ready. And then I called back again and they told me they were ready. And she said they had been ready since the morning. So I have a feeling they know who I am and they just want to see me. And the tires aren't gonna be there, probably, I don't know. So I got a little bit distracted with driving and I wasn't actually recording, although you guys didn't really miss anything. A couple cars without headlights, a couple people without any blinker fluid, but that's about it. We are around 6 minutes away from the location, so super excited. Let me focus on the road. All right, so we are here. They told me to pull up to door 33, so I'm pulling up to door 33 now. She told me not to go onto the ramp, so that's what I'm doing. If they need me to move it, of course, you know, I will move it. I have no problem moving it. I will say we are alone and a little bit nervous.
Oh, wait, no, those aren't it.
If those are our tires,
I don't think those are it. Those look really small.
those are small.
Those look really small to me. Well, they're the only wheels I see, so. Guys, I think these are it. Guys, I think these are it. Oh my gosh. Alright, well, these are it. Let's get a little sneak peek. Let's get a little sneak peek on that bad boy. Oh Lord. Oh. Yeah, voila.
Alright, so this is what we ended up going with. It's a General Grabber AT. So if you got that right, shout out to you, you're a legend. But 285/75 R16. I don't know how well you guys can see that. 285/75 R16. Let's put these up against our stock tires so you guys can see kind of what we're rocking with here.
Hey, careful, careful. Wait, can I want to touch it.
Can you guys please tell us if these are lighter than the 285/75 R7, no, 285/70 R17s?
Yeah.
Falcon Wild Peaks. These are a load E range. So here, you're gonna put it. Oh wow, I guess. Sorry, subscribe to my YouTube channel if you get a chance, but this is Sandy's.
I don't know what to say.
Do not let that thing go into the woods. Alright, so let me know what you guys think. Did I do the right choice getting these? Let's put it up in the light so you guys can see. 285/75 R16s, General Grabber AT. So that's gonna wrap up today's video. I hope you guys did enjoy. If you guys did, please leave a like, a comment, and a subscription. 285/75 R16s. We got the lift and we got the wheels and tires. So just very few minor things that are left to change. Hint, hint, wink, wink, you'll never guess. Sooner than we both know, this thing's gonna be in the air looking mighty, mighty fine. Nonetheless, it's been your boy. I'm out like an Audi. I'll see you tomorrow. Cinco de Malo. Peace.